Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important questions of internet and computer networking. So our first question is, which of the following devices forward packets between networks by processing the routing information included in the packet? Here given options are A. Firewall, B. Bridge, C. Hub, D. Router. Here correct answer is option D. Router. So what is router? Router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Routers perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. They make use of routing protocols like RIP to find the cheapest path to the destination. Next question. Which one of the following is not a function of network layer? Given options are A. Congestion control, B. Error control, C. Routing, D. Internetworking. Your correct answer is option B. Error control. So, in the OSI model, network layer is the third layer and it provides data routing paths for network communication. Error control is a function of the data link layer and the transport layer. Next question. How do two devices become part of a network? Given options are A. PIDs of the process running of different devices are same. Option B. A process in one device is able to exchange information with a process in another device. Option C. A process is active and another is inactive. Option D. A process is running on both devices. So here correct option is option B. A process in one device is able to exchange information with a process in another device. So computer networks or data network is a digital telecommunication network which allows nodes to share resources. In computer networks, computing devices exchange data with each other using connections between nodes. The nodes have certain processes which enables them to share a specific type of data using a distinct protocol. Next question. Which of these is not a network edge device? Given options are A. Switch, B. PC, C. Smartphones, D. Servers. Your correct answer is option A. Switch. Network edge devices refers to host systems which can host applications like web browser. A switch cannot operate as a host but as a central device which can be used to manage network communication. Our next question. Which type of network shares the communication channel among all the machines? Given options are A. Anycast network, B. Multicast network, C. Unicast network, D. Broadcast network. The correct answer is option D. Broadcast network. So, in a broadcast network, information is sent to all stations in a network, whereas in a multiclass network, the data or information is sent to a group of stations in the network. In unicast network, information is sent to only one specific station. The broadcast address of the network is the last assigned address of the network.